The Swiss Ball Dumbbell Fly primarily targets the muscles in the chest. Performing a chest fly on a Swiss ball enhances core engagement for added stability, but the instability of the ball may reduce the weight you can lift compared to using a bench. For heavier lifting, stick with a bench. Here's how to do it correctly. With your core engaged to stabilize your body, sit on a Swiss ball, then grab a pair of dumbbells and rest them vertically on your thighs. Engage your core and slowly walk your feet forward, rolling down the ball until your upper back and shoulders are supported by the ball. Your feet should be firmly planted on the floor, hip-width apart with your knees bent at a 90-degree angle. To keep your hips lifted, contract your glutes to create a straight line from your knees to your shoulders. Hold the dumbbells with a neutral, palms facing each other grip, then extend your arms straight up over your chest with a slight bend in your elbows to protect your joints. Inhale as you slowly lower the dumbbells out to the sides in a wide arc, keeping a slight bend in your elbows. Lower the dumbbells until your elbows are at chest level or slightly lower to feel a good stretch in your chest. Be sure to keep your core engaged and your hips lifted to maintain stability on the Swiss ball. Exhale as you bring the dumbbells back up to the starting position, squeezing your chest muscles to bring the weights together over your chest. Make sure the movement is controlled and smooth throughout the exercise. Repeat for reps. After completing your set, bring the dumbbells down to your chest and roll your body down the Swiss ball until you're seated, keeping the dumbbells close to your body. Place the dumbbells on your thighs, then safely lower them to the floor. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.